In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use monday.com for HR in a simple practical way. First, open your web browser and go to monday.com. Then log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll want to sign up before moving ahead. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen and click the plus icon. From there, choose boards. Boards are where you'll organize all your activities like recruitment, onboarding, leave management, and employee support. Next, select the option to choose from templates. Here you will find ready-made HR templates built for things like hiring pipelines, onboarding workflows, and HR service requests. These templates save you a lot of setup time because the structure is already done for you. You can now create boards to track candidates through each hiring stage, manage interview progress, and keep all documents in one place. You can also build onboarding checklists to make sure new employees complete paperwork and training smoothly. Leave management. Create a main table with columns like employee name, leave type, dates, and approval status. You can even use forms so employees submit leave requests directly into the board automatically, reducing manual work and improving accuracy. It's also a great idea to set up one central HR board with a customizable form where employees can submit requests such as vacation, support, or HR questions. This keeps everything organized in one location so nothing gets missed. Automation is another powerful feature. You can automate approvals, reminders, and status updates, helping you save time and reduce repetitive admin work. Finally, keep all your HR boards inside one workspace. This gives you a clear, centralized view of recruitment, employee management, development, and engagement, all in one place. By setting things up this way, Monday.com becomes a powerful HR hub that helps you stay organized, improve communication, and support your team more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get started with Monday.com for HR.